We are here at X Takeover, and what would X Takeover be without tech, right? We have Teslas, we have SpaceX, we have all things tech. We have tons of aftermarket accessories for your Teslas. And one thing that's not just for any Tesla, but for literally any car is Reviver. It's a digital license plate. It's the license plate of the future. We're gonna check out all the cool features that these have. We're gonna see how it works and why should you get one? First, it's fully customizable. It's digital. So that means you don't have to worry about no tags, none of that stuff from the DMV. It all updates on here. One cool feature is if it is stolen, it will say that it is stolen. You can customize it to your heart's content. I don't know who Sam is, but they're probably pretty cool, just like Reviver. This year at Takeover, we have Franz, the designer of the Model 3 and other Teslas. And Reviver has a little Easter egg for Franz. It's a little hello Franz from Reviver. Hi Franz. This is what the plate looks like on the car. I don't know who Noop is, but do you got gas? Because the Tesla doesn't. If you do have a gas car though, it does work on it as well. You can see it's super seamless. It has this super low bezel around the entire edge. Remember, everything updates on here. So you never have to replace anything. It's all just built in. It's super simple, super seamless. You don't see any wires, nothing. It just sits on your existing mount. We also have one for Elon, and we're gonna find out why we should buy a Reviver plate.
So this is an R plate. It's the world's first and only digital license plate. You might be wondering why? Why a digital license plate? Why should I care? Why should I get one? This is why you should get one, because it's cool, it's sleek, it's sexy, and you can customize it. This is dark mode. You have the black background with the white letters, or in the app, you can just flip to light mode, and that's gonna be a white background with the black letters. The other thing you can do is put whatever you want at the bottom as a banner message. There's all kinds of fonts. Yes, there's a Tesla font, and there's emojis that you can put.
There's different fonts.
There's different fonts.
You have the Tesla font.
We have the Tesla font. There you go.
That's gonna be my font.
There's the Tesla font. So the other thing too is you don't have to worry about the DMV going online to their awful website anymore. You literally can have your app, and then you can pay your registration for your vehicle in your app, and this will automatically flip to the year for your app.
So it's super seamless.
Super seamless. A couple of weeks ago, it was almost gonna expire, my registration. I was at lunch and I was like, oh, I gotta pay this. I clicked in my app, paid it, went outside after lunch, and it was already flipped to 2025. Yeah.
That's it.
It's that simple.
You can literally update your year after when having lunch.
Yeah, absolutely. It's that easy.
Oh my god.
Yeah, and that's just the beginning. Like, we have a color plate in prototype, and we're legal in California and in Arizona and in Texas for fleets, and then we're gonna be in every other state very soon.
So you gotta make sure you get your Reviver plate. I'm getting that California plate, baby!